He just wanted to set out a water bowl. He never expected to gain a backyard full of friends. Every day a crow would fly into his yard to drink. One day the crow did something he'd never seen before. It gently plucked out one of its own feathers and placed it beside the bowl, like a thank you gift. The man was stunned. He realized this wasn't just any bird. This was a friend. It all started with a little rainwater pooling in the backyard. A few birds showed up to drink, so he decided to help them out by putting out a bigger water bowl. Then more came. One bird became a pair, then a family of 3, and soon his yard was full of birds splashing, drinking, and playing like it was their own private party. Then came the squirrels. The man even cut a little door in the fence so they could come and go. Hedgehogs started showing up, then foxes, then cats. One day a fox and a cat argued over a potato scrap. It was noisy, but no one got hurt. The